Astronomers have said there's around 3,000 human-made satellites in working order around the Earth. However, if the debris of old and damaged satellites are taken into account, the number increases dramatically. Ever since the Soviet Union launched the very first artificial satellite into orbit in 1957, various countries around the world have sought to compete, and satellites today are used for communication, navigation and exploration. Satellites are often visible passing overhead as the sunlight reflects back towards the Earth. One of them is impossible to miss, the largest satellite currently in orbit, the International Space Station. Recently, astronomers have made an interesting discovery. They have announced that our planet is currently being orbited by an artificial satellite. Interestingly, this object looks similar to an empty bag. It's been theorized the object in question is a leftover piece of rocket, but at the moment astronomers are unsure. The object was first picked up by scientists a few weeks back. This was when the Asteroid Terrestrial Impacts Last Alert System alerted astronomers. Although doing research on this object may sound pointless, it's important for astronomers to understand what this object is. One of the first things they picked up on was that it's extremely lightweight, and has a high area to mass ratio. As mentioned, the most likely candidate is leftover material from a rocket launch. However, this isn't set in stone, and researchers are still studying the object. Astronomers have noticed something interesting about this object, and this is its orbit. It's been observed within 600 kilometers or 373 miles of Earth's surface. When similar objects like rocket pieces have been spotted, they usually stay much closer to Earth. One person said the following about this object: "Although this is an interesting discovery, it would be sad if this was just a piece of rubbish. It's one thing to litter on our own planet, but we're now littering in outer space." Incredibly though, just outside of our Earth's atmosphere there's a lot of space junk. A study in 2013 announced there's over 170 million bits of debris outside of our Earth. These are believed to be smaller than 1 centimeter. There's over 670,000 pieces of debris between 1 and 10 centimeters, and around 29,000 larger pieces were estimated to be in orbit around the Earth. It's important to note that these objects will fall back to Earth sometime in the future, so the likelihood is that this object is one of those pieces. However, scientists and astronomers will continue to keep an eye on the object. So what do you guys think this artifact is? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.